There's two things I don't want to do, actually. I don't want to poison myself with radium, and I also don't want to scratch the dial. Ooh, yeah, that just came off as dust. Oops. Should never do that. If you're going to use a case tool or whatever, you should always put the case in a case clamp like this, which I had standing by, so that you're much less likely to slip if you're careful with this as opposed to just doing that. I'm not the kind of person who takes even my own advice. I'm going to restore an entire watch. It's like, you kidding me? Just to do this little tiny stuff is impossible. I'm going to try to repair, basically disassemble and reassemble an IWC Cal 44 Peloton automatic from 1959, according to whoever wrote the tag on it. I have this camera system that will allow me to record everything I'm doing as I take it apart so that I can reference that when I put it back together. So now I'm going to press 5, and they should all do their thing. It's fun to watch that one. It automatically zooms in. This is a camera that's up there at the very top. And it has a motorized zoom that automatically zooms in when it starts up. Oops. Okay, thank God. Oh boy. I had that upside down. So I really... I know that did not go far. It's probably right here. Just calm down. It's just gone. It's sometime over the course of the weekend. Perhaps a demon came and took it. When I was shutting down, my sweater snagged it. I walked away and it dropped off somewhere. Plus, it's impossible to get the right parts. I think Omega does that on purpose. Like not being able to get the correct seal for this. You have to take it to them. There's a possibility that this is going to destroy the crystal. It should be like, this is the world of this thing. Oh, that's exactly what I didn't want to do. Okay, so I scratched the face. Now you know how rotors get all those scratches on them. I can't do, like, the people who do this for a living can't make these mistakes, can they? Oh, that's good. I heard, okay, so it's a little bit loose. So I'm almost there. It's able to rotate. Those are like, oh! Oof, that's not good. Oops. I think the only way to do this is to keep trying until it works. Or until it's so broken that it's not going to work. I see little shards. So that's what I was worried about. Oh, God. I'm so stupid. So the crown is a failure too. The only thing that was a success was scratching it. I guess there's actually some skill to watchmaking that should be respected and admired. That's working. Oh, I restored that watch. I disassembled it, and I've never done this before. I've never restored any watch in terms of taking the movement apart and putting it back together again. And I did it with that tiny automatic IWC Cal 44, 1959. I never thought I could do that. I did not think I could.